Better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up. Better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again. Tell them turn up the bass. DJ turn it up. Better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up. Better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up. Better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again. Tell them that you like that. Like DJ turn it. 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 DJ 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 DJ. Pick up the PS and turn up the.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Pretty Hermosa. If you are new to my channel, then I am Preeti Naik. To know more about me, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. So you must have read by the title. Today's video is all about a weekend with my homies. Actually, one of my homies had birthday on 19th of June, but we celebrated it on 20th of June. So I will show you how we celebrated it, where we went and how was our day. So without a further ado, let's get started. So guys, we left at 11 AM and we were total 9 people, so we had to take 2 cars. We didn't had any plan in our mind, so this was basically an unplanned trip.
And here, getting into the car.
We took our route on Mumbai National Highway. On Toll Naka, Dipesh welcomed us this way. Thank you, Dipesh. Namaste. Guys, you can see the nature. It was so mesmerizing. Land is really the best art. Although we say mountain belongs to the country, actually they belongs to those who love them. It is said that by discovering nature, you discover yourself, and the time spent among this nature is never a wasted time. We took a halt here and we were enjoying the nature. Now you can see how we enjoyed it.
छोड़ दे।
बहुत हो गया अभी, बहुत हो गया।
वाह वाह, क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है। वाह, क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है।
On the way, it started raining, and I really can't express through words what was the feeling of this nature. We went to a dam, and I really don't know what is its name, but we enjoyed the view. It was really epic. We spent a quality time here. Sometimes spending time with good friends, that's only the therapy you need in life. It was raining very heavily. Everyone was hungry, so we found something on the way. Guys, the taste was so delicious that we couldn't resist taking a picture with him. You will see the picture further. We started the route to Kasara Ghat. On the way, we found this lake which was in my previous vlog. If you haven't checked my previous vlog, then what are you waiting for? Go and watch the video. We again took a halt here and started enjoying. We found some scratches on the car, but we couldn't recognize what it was. But later, what we found was dangerous. You will see what it was. Finally, we were on highway. Now you will see the view of Kasara Ghat. Just wait and watch. We had our lunch on Highway Dhaba, but I couldn't record it. This was the best part of our journey. We saw a rainbow.
Happy birthday. May God bless you. May God bless you. Enjoy. Happy birthday, dear. Enjoy. Enjoy.
So it was Father's Day, and this is a small message for my dad. And yeah, also a surprise cake. As my mother and sister was out of town, so we did a video call and celebrated Father's Day. So guys, this is how we celebrated Harshal's birthday. Wish you a many happy returns of the day, Harshal. May God bless you. So this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.